So I read a lot of social media chatter about Google Gemini AI now officially launching coaching for competitive exams in India like NEET, like UPSC and IIT JEE, etc. So naturally they'll very soon cover the entire gamut. They also have tied up with some leading names and taken their content, etc. So, for a normal student in India preparing for these exams, AI will now offer practically very cheap or almost free coaching. So, a lot of people had this perspective that this can end up severely damaging the Indian coaching industry, maybe even killing some segments of it. I completely differ. As an education industry professional for more than 3 decades, I think Indian coaching industry works on some very different concepts. We are going to dive deep into it. Stay with me till the end. Since you're here, please do subscribe to the Billion of channel. I am Sandeep Manudhane, mentor Sandy, and I'm bringing you AI for real impact. Let's begin. AI to kill JEE, NEET, UPSC coaching, or overall the coaching industry in general? This is the going chatter. So, we are going to take a very simple look at it and a very convincing look at it. Google announced full length JEE mains mock test. So, that happened recently in 2026 Jan. And the content was sourced from major leading reputed coaching classes and websites and content aggregators. And this happened after they did a release for SAT in partnership with the Princeton Review earlier. So these are all exams for which students in India and abroad, they pay hefty sums at coaching industries classes. They spend many years in these institutions, etc. And so naturally, there's a lot of chatter around, which is understandable. So is it a very complicated process to use AI to do all these tests and learn for these competitive exams? The clear answer is no. Just like hundreds of millions across the world and even in India very easily use ChatGPT or Gemini, similarly, students can just prompt their way to glory here. You can activate tests with prompts like I want to take a JEE mains mock test. You don't even need to know English for this. You can do audio prompting. You can do broken English prompting. You can do Hindi prompting. You can do Marathi prompting. Of course, these LLMs are not only multimodal, but they are also multilingual. They are massive artificial neural networks. They have been trained for years on this, right? So, what the AI does is it gives you a full test, it times it for you, and it will give you scoring, step by step solutions, and identifying your conceptual gap. So that sounds very exciting. And it seems like an absolute game changer. Wait a minute, we are coming to the reality very soon, and we'll see what's going to happen. So, broadly, these are the things that I found about it. So, there are important tests, strategic partnership with some leading coaching classes and content aggregators and websites, and some basic instant scoring things available. Regional languages are factored in, and institutional impact and grants are also being given. And this is what Google Gemini is determined to do. How to use it? Very simple, just like you use ChatGPT. Just open Google Gemini, talk in your own language. As I said, you don't even need to know English and it will still work. It does work, right? So why not for this? You can just start a practice test. You can check your answers, ask for a study plan 10 days, 30 days, 300 days, 3000 days. Just kidding. And use your own notes is an advanced feature. Point I'm trying to make is Google Gemini is now actually leveraging whatever it has created to tap into a user base, which, if it successfully taps into and converts them into being committed users, can have several year long runways. So that's a very good business strategy. But does it really work like that in India? So this is how you can always pause it and check the complete infographic here as to how to use it. And it's very simple and basic, really. And there are some higher level prompts, etc., that I have given. So the promise seems very, very intense. It seems that a remote student in some village, in some small town in India, not having access to good teachers in a physical format, classroom, can now have the best teaching via Gemini. Is that so? Will this model really work? Let's get into that now. So, having created this complete background, my take on this is AI won't kill the Indian coaching industry at all. In fact, it may end up strengthening it in a very ironical twist of situation. It may end up strengthening the coaching industry. And let us see why I say that. Before I move on, there's the join button on our channel, and we have wonderful membership tiers. Go ahead and check out. You'll definitely find something of interest to you. Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. It would be lovely to have you as a member on our channel. Please do join. Thank you so much. The very first reason I think AI is not going to have any material damage, at least not in the near term, 2 to 3 years. Long term, anything beyond 2 to 3 years, the predictions are absolutely foolhardy. One should not even attempt to do that now. Parents pay for trust and control. For any student in the age group 14 to 20, Indian parents have almost total control over their lives, right? This is the social reality. And it's the parents who decide what exam the child will take and where the child will go for higher level coaching. And the parents have their own social networks and the advice comes accordingly. This entire business of coaching essentially is driven by parental involvement. And the child, very rarely, 5 to 6% cases, might be deciding on her own, his own, but normally it's the parents who decide in India. And the parents want safety, the parents want kind of a guarantee that good education will be given or training or coaching will be given. AI apps just do not come up to that. Their confidence level, parental confidence in AI apps to be able to carry out this essential function is near zero. They will treat it as a toy. When the child asks for a subscription to these, they'll definitely give the subscription, but as one of the many, many subscriptions. It's not going to be the subscription. So I think this is going to be the biggest factor. And let's assume for a moment that some parents are very progressive and the child is smart and they say, great, go ahead, Gemini it is. And then they suddenly find that the neighbor's child has joined XYZ coaching class and is physically attending it. I think it's a matter of hours before their minds change. This is how things work in India, right? So I believe this is how it will be in the rest of the world too, greater or lesser extent. When the stakes are very high, now examinations that end up deciding the entire lives of students, especially in the developing world, India, China, etc., these exams, they literally decide your trajectory because overall, making a career is very tough in these countries for a child, where a young person, high stakes prep will need a physical institution and physical handholding is the going dictum. Success requires day to day targets, handholding, weekly testing, monthly cross checking, revision ladders. Coaching enforces plans through schedules and tasks. AI can give you the whole thing, but it cannot do it for you, right? Just like a physical institution can. I believe this really makes or breaks the deal for AI. And in Indian case, this breaks it. Outcomes depend on discipline. And a lot of discipline with young people depends on them being forced to do it. This is why most of the coaching classes actually ban a mobile handset, which is a good strategy. I have been privy to some very depressing cases where young boys and girls, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 years of age, have become so addicted to watching reels and shorts. They do not sleep on time. They just keep scrolling endlessly, the doom scrolling that happens till 2 or 3 in the night. And they do it for months together. Parents discover it late, and the whole health has gone for a toss in the me. Naturally, if you are addicted, you need de addiction from that. And this is a serious damage. With a coaching class, these things are taken care of to a great extent. To a great extent. Now, the point is, AI is not new for the talented students anyway. They are already using all this. And AI has become one of the many tools that they use. Top students already use multiple resources. These are the serious students. And if serious students follow a certain mix of resources, most of the students who take these serious guys as their role models are also likely to follow the same. There is no reason for them to experiment and jeopardize their entire chances. They wouldn't. So, for AI to make a break into it as the sole option, I really don't think that's happening in the near future. Well, as I said, predicting the future is the most foolish thing one can attempt today. 5 years down the line, maybe it's only AI people do. I just don't know. But as on date, I don't think in the coaching industry this will at all make a difference. Then, when a student is actually stuck, AI can give patiently answers to a million questions. But a human being doing it has a very different magical aura and charm to it. and a good teacher who knows how to motivate and when, and how to pull up and when. The problem with AI is the obsequiousness. AI is servile. AI is forever praising you. It never scolds you. For a good student who really cares for a career, a teacher who knows how to pull them up and how to scold them at the right time and to actually make them feel that they did something wrong and they need to come on track is very critical at some sensitive junctures. AI can't do that. I just can't do that. The models aren't optimized for pulling up people. They're optimized for engagement. And if you go by Anthropic Cloud latest constitution, they're optimized for truthfulness. But then no one is optimized for pulling them up. And so human judgment is very critical. The testing ecosystems become the real mode where it's not just one student and one AI. It's 500 students in an institution competing with each other, or 5,000 or 50,000. And that really works. So I believe this, unless and until all these AI systems end up creating a pan India ranking system and all, but even there, the sheer touch would be missing. And so this testing ecosystem being the real mode stays. And AI may actually end up making students crave more and more support. So I feel overall the situation is such that anybody who is assuming that AI will end up significantly disrupting the Indian coaching industry landscape, maybe certain very specific and specialized verticals may get affected. But the broad horizontal stuff, it will continue the way it is. If they are having their natural decline, it's a separate issue. We cannot attribute it to really AI. But AI bringing an out and out collapse, that's ruled out, in my opinion. I might be proven wrong. Your views are very important. Please do comment and let me know. And also let me know what are the other topics you would want me to take up. Some recent suggestions were wonderful. Some want me to make videos on how AI can be used for exam prep. I will do that, of course. Some want me to actually show how AI and LLMs and chatbots can be used to work with Excel sheets. I'm going to do that. So you just keep telling me and I'll make those videos for you. That's what Billion Homes channel is for. Go ahead, subscribe, like, and share. This is a complete list of 10 things. You can take your time, pause it, and study it. Now, since you're here, let me quickly take 5 seconds and tell you, please make sure you have joined our WhatsApp channel. The link is there. Make sure you have definitely taken up our AI for Everyone high value newsletter subscription and check out our academy. We have absolutely beautiful courses for beginners and non-technical professionals. There's an AI mastery bundle, a bundle of 3 beginner level programs. Go ahead and enroll, and within a month, you will see the level of confidence you'll have. So that was it for today. AI to kill JEE NEET UPSC coaching, and a very clear answer from me. No, it won't. At least not for the next 2 to 3 years. After that, we'll see in the next video. This is your mentor, Sandy, bringing you AI for real impact. See you soon.